Hey, it's Anaya. Introducing the EMEET StreamCam One wireless live stream camera. We have 3 EMEET Stream cameras. Today, we're going to be using them for a cooking tutorial. Now we will demonstrate the use of 3 devices. We will position each device towards the location we want to shoot. Here, I will position one device towards me, one device towards the cutting board, and the last device toward the stove.
The wireless magnetic suction microphone captures your audio seamlessly.
To enhance the sound quality, I will attach the magnetic microphone to my shirt. One click, pick your platform, and the live stream begins. You can live stream on multiple platforms simultaneously. Complete control at your fingertips. Use the EMEET Smart app with your phone to change from one camera view to another. Take a closer look with the handy zoom feature. Add helpful materials to your live stream, such as text boxes. The powerful battery gives an 8-hour battery life.